Hello, Earthlings. How are you all? Welcome to day 14th challenge. Today, I would like to share something about conditioning brain. Since when does this happen and how we knowingly or unknowingly succumb to this conditioning? Few years back, one of my aunts forwarded a video which is about conditioning our brains. It says that knowingly or unknowingly we get succumbed to this conditioning because this happens since we are kids. Say, for example, a small kid who has just learnt walking will try to run, will fall. The parents who will be observing these activities will keep on reminding the kid, don't run fast, you can't, or if you run fast, you will fall. In one way or other, the you can't word has been used multiple times in all walks of life. It starts from childhood. It appears that before the child attains 14 years of age, on an average, around 1,50,000 times it has been told to the child that you can't. The intentions might be noble, I do not deny it. If the child is trying to play with the knife, definitely parents will say, no, you can't handle the knife. You're too young for it. Or when the child tries to lit a matchstick, they'll say, no, you can't because you're a child. As I said, the intentions might be noble, but this you can't word has been continuously repetitively told on an average for about 1,50,000 times to the child. And in addition to this, usually we need a council of people or a committee for the decisions of our lives. So, what we do? We go to them and ask, do you think I should be taking up this? Or do you think I should not be taking up this? And they'll give their free opinions or suggestions, which might include you can't. So, the 1,50,000 times plus the committee's decision for your life is added up. Alright, it's about external conditioning. If we think about how we condition our own self, it's even crazy. It is the fear which conditions our brain. The fear of unknown, fear of not being successful, fear of failure, the fear of losing, and the list just goes on. Here comes the challenge for today. I really want you to participate in this challenge, and please do share this challenge with your family and friends and ask them to participate in it. Here comes the details about it. So, when some known person has approached you for your suggestions or inputs, how many times you have told them, no, you can't do that. No, you'll not be able to handle it. No, it's not cup of your tea. No, just leave it. You'll not be able to complete it. How many times you have done that? Check yourself. And when your family members have approached you for suggestions or inputs, how many times you have said, no, you can't? That family member might be your siblings, your children, or your spouse. And now, how many times you have thought to yourself that, no, you can't do that. No, you'll not be able to do that. No. For some reason, you can't do that. And you don't know what that some reason is. How many times you have told this to yourself? Think about it before you go to bed. I hope you are enjoying all the challenges so far. Please let me know if you have any inputs or comments in the comment section. If you're watching my channel and the videos for the first time, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would support and encourage me to do more. Yours truly, Sam.